Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. So today I will be showing very easy and simple to install your wig cap. I will braid my hair backside. After weaving my hair, then I will be using extra virgin hair fertilizer. I will apply it down of my skull and massage it in. This method I'm going to use to install my wig is very easy. Even take it down is still easy. What you just need to do, if you use this Göt2b Glue spray, you just have to spray water. It will just pull out so easy like that. So after installing it, I will just use a hand dryer to dry it and use Göt2b Glue styling mousse to lay my baby edges down. Then I will tie it with a satin scarf so that everything will lay down and dry properly.
Tell me what you want to know, I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. On moto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Let me low.
So after tying it down, I will be using brown shaping brush. The color light I'm using is dark brown, but I don't like the way it's not sharp. Then I will use light black to fill the gap. Even this light black, if I use it in my water eye, is not showing to know how is light. Then I will be using Nyx Concealer and use the dark one. That one is still concealer number 3. I will use it for up. If you don't have this dark one, you can use your makeup like foundation powder, or you can still use the one you use down. You can use it to clean the up.
Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random.
I will be using Everyday Glam. It don't have name. I will use the dark one for transition color. Then I will use something white and milk color. I will just apply in the middle of my eye. Is blending. You have to take your time and blend it. No one is perfect because of we take our time and blend it. The video we have to edit it and make it short because no one wants to sit down and watch one particular set of place. Then you have to take your time.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me.
My eye with eyeliner. Yeah. I'll line my eye with eyeliner using mascara to raise my natural eyelashes up. So the eyelashes I'm going to be using, I used it before I clean my eyelashes. The video, I'm still going to link the video that how to clean your used eyelashes. You don't have to just throw it away, you can reuse it again. The primer I will be using Forever52 Primer.
I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta know.
The foundation is MAC foundation MW50 and MW45. I'm going to mix it because MW50 is too dark for me, MW45 is too light for me, so
make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling.
I'm still going to be using same concealer I used before, Nyx Concealer. Inside the bottle is just water because I don't want to be standing up, then something finish inside, I replace it with water, then
original bad man, you don't know.
It's Fake
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette.
to set my face, I'm going to be using Nyx baking powder.
Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel.
The same lead I used to lead my eyebrow.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go.
I'll be using my Studio MAC Finish Powder MW45 to dust the baking powder out.
Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing.
And the lip gloss is still Nest, and no number, they just said E, no number of the color.
I'm a risk it, chop your body girl like a biscuit. Like a.
And I'll be using dark eyebrow to line my water eye.
You want to come move fair. Now you.
The blush I use, no name again, so I'm just going to leave you guys to finish the rest video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload a video, you will be the among to be notified. Thank you so much for tuning in, and love you. Stay safe. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
And I be feeling you, oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one boy need your money, need your money, them they feel you from London to West. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I never do, I'ma go talk on. Baby, you're welcome. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dago, party. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be